You can do it, Rohan. You can do it. Yeah. Go, boy. Yeah. Can you take that ring off that thing? I don't know if you can, but look how well you're sitting. Oh, look at that. Whoops. Whoa. Hi, Sophie. Yeah, Sophie. Get those rings for Rohan. My goodness. Oh, look, he's got it. Oh, you got one, Rohan. Are you going to grab it? Here, get the orange one. Can you get the orange one? Or are you going to reach for the red one? You have choices now. Oh, yeah, eat it. Can you put that thing in your mouth? Whoops. Oh, it continues. Look at him trying to get it with his feet. Yep. Sort of. Are you going to sleep through the night tonight? What do you think, Rohan? No? Whoops! This is Tick 2.